You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, a very common word in English, sort of a basic word from anatomy. If you want to learn more vocabulary from English anatomy, stay tuned, we've got many more. So the spelling is a bit confusing, but the pronunciation is pretty straightforward once you know. British English pronunciation is as ear, okay? An E sound, a short E sound, and then a short sound, ear. That's the singular. The plural is as ears, ears. You just add a Z sound or a Z sound at the end, ears. In American English, the singular is pronounced as ear and plural as ears. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.